And still, WBO, VALDEZ!
Matapos ang napakagandang karera dito sa Pinas at maging sa ibang bayan na kung saan nakuha niya ang mga titulong WBC International Silver Super Bantamweight Title, WBO Asia Pacific Super Bantamweight Title, WBO Intercontinental Super Bantamweight at WBO Asia Pacific Featherweight Title, ay sa wakas nabigyan ng pagkakataong makalaban para sa WBO World Featherweight Title itong ating bida na tubong Bacolod Negros Occidental, ang binansagang azukal na si Genesis Servania. Buwan ng Setyembre taong 2017 ay lumipad ang Team Servania sa bansang Amerika para sa kauna-unahang laban niya para sa world title. Ito din ang unang laban ni Servania sa bansang Amerika.
Your first fight in United States, how he's feeling to that?
Na-mindset ko na po. Na-mindset ko na.
Bit-bit niya dito ang malinis na kartada na 29 wins, 0 loss, 14 via knockout. Makakalaban niya dito ang defending WBO World Featherweight Champion, ang kilalang knockout artist na nagmula pa sa bansang Mexico. Ito ay si Oscar Valdez. May record ito na 22 wins, 0 loss, 11 via knockout. Kung record ang titignan, ay talaga namang di biro itong si Valdez sa basagan ng mukha. Dagdag mo pa na may napatunayan na dahil sa pagiging champion, at nagmula pa ito sa lugar na kung saan di uso ang atrasan sa suntukan. Nangyari ang kanilang laban sa Convention Center, Tucson, Arizona sa bansang Amerika. Sa weigh-in pa lang ay makikitang gigil na itong dalawa. Gusto nang umpisahan agad ang bakbakan nila. Kaya naman sa mismong laban ay inaasahan na agad ng karamihan na isang matinding palitan ng mga kamao ang makikita. Parehong undefeated, parehong ayaw madungisan ang malinis na kartada, at parehong gustong manalo para sa titulo.
You know Valdez in one round?
Maybe it's Friday night. I seen Friday night.
At sa mismong bakbaka na nga ay di nagkamali ang mga nanonood ng live sa laban. Siksik sa aksyon, palitan ng bagsak na siyang kinatuwa naman ng kanilang mga tagahanga. Muli nating balikan ang labang Genesis Servania kontra Oscar Valdez, ang laban ng dalawang undefeated boxer, Pinas versus Mexico.
Here we go. Or retire. Round number 1.
It might be again tonight.
With what we've seen with Filipino fight, you know that better than anyone.
And when you want to do that, the bigger
Landing that jab is controlling
a little bit more. Wants to come in that front door.
We saw moments ago.
Still looped that right hand.
I think he found a home for that.
Oscar Valdez, 50 punches, 20 years old.
He's able to go in, go out, go to the side. For the most part, coming forward straight ahead.
Valdez better be confident.
Servania, he wastes a lot of movement. He's moving his head from too far away. Time.
With the hard jab.
Behind the jab. Moving that head too far away. Good spot for Valdez.
Combinations are both heavy-handed. There's a right against Oscar.
Sometimes Servania sends it a little bit too long. He get hit with the third.
Mick Conlon and championship featherweight fight.
Movement and creativity from Valdez. More dimensions.
And set up that left hook.
Pass on to him.
Not only that, but his lead trained and experienced his family, so we donate today. Because earlier tonight we saw the great champion on the ground, helping with food, with water, is Canelo Alvarez.
Valdez is showing all those movement, controlling range.
He just opens up with everything.
Bad intentions. D throws to do damage.
Knockdown score.
Come to me.
Hands down. And he comes in with a right hand. Look at the challenger on the attack. Oscar Valdez in trouble here at the end of the round.
Down. Got caught with the right hand.
Wait, let's check in with what's
Do that. But they get away with it.
at a championship level.
Because the champion Valdez had a
Valdez is in.
He doesn't look good. Oscar's going to be on the attack, looking to finish this thing. Valdez. Here they go. Big left hand. Right hand. A little more settled on his feet. Absorbs another big blow. Crowd around. Great stuff.
Physicality. We promise once you get bad intent.
Rounds. You're loving it. Genesis coming forward.
Valdez put himself in a bad situation right now. He's trying to get it back.
Right hand from Genesis. Backing up the champ. Another power surge to close out a round. Second. Bernardo.
Oscar's father, look, you need to be smart. You need to control the fight. Don't let him steal rounds like he did in the combinations.
Again, load up on any side.
Did it. I've been there before. You know, to have confidence in yourself and his ability.
Because a fight only goes one thing. You gotta put those right hands together.
And we're only at the end of round 7.
He gave me another round.
Round 5. That's why you see the dueling.
And when he puts him out of position, that can happen. Your opponent can be right.
And hit him with the straight shots. Like that.
When fireworks go off, let me get out. Keeping somebody a little off balance. You young fighters out there, why?
Valdez, maybe a sense of urgency from
Berg had turned it.
And what else we got?
and in the sense of that, that times too, Sylvania's the opportunity he knows he has.
That is all November 11th, 10. Love these loaded cards.
The guy's sitting right in between us, Joe. Bradley being a great winner.
Division world champion. Great fights.
Sylvania's waiting a little bit.
1 rounds doing this.
And in a fight like this, seemingly controlled the early goings. Then we have the trading of knockdowns in 4 and 5 and some of the bigger rounds. Stay with us. Damage early, coming in undefeated. We have one of us here.
You're right. At one time, press behind the jig, and you said, well, Valdez.
He came out the gate shoot fine.
At least you know that you put what you needed to bring.
It's now in round 4, 6, 7 from Oscar.
Next is yes.
I think the good work boxing down the stretch here and an exchange to close out here. 106-101 says Teddy. The champ returning home here to Tucson, looking to defend this fight. 12th and final round as he went stalking it. It's going to be sensational stuff down the stretch. Short right hand.
They don't know anything.
Sylvania very game. There's 2 seconds left.
Again, everything in pitch.
Waiting a little bit too long.
Sylvania's running on fuel.
Oscar comes as they're looking for. Oh, that's good stuff.
And still WBO featherweight champion Oscar VALDEZ.
Ako nga pala si Kenneth Dober, Philippine Youth Champion sa lumalaban sa Bantamweight Division. Shoutout nga pala sa channel ni Manoy 0.2. Like and share, subscribe.